In this video, I'm going to show you how to search thesis topics in PubMed. So, to effectively search for these in PubMed, you have to focus on first identifying key concepts, and you can do that using relevant keywords and utilizing PubMed's search features over here. So, basically, these are going to be the advanced search, as well as, of course, the different filters you can use whenever you're performing a search. So, here, let me just show you how I would go about this. So, of course, first you will have to find some topic, okay? So you will have to identify key concepts. And for example, if you are searching within the realm of sport, just type in, for example, sports, click on this, and then run the search. And then there we go. This is going to run your search over here. You're going to see you're going to have like 500,000 results. However, if you go over here, you'll be able to set pretty much any filter you want. So you can do the publication date, make sure you do the text availability, what you want to see, make sure you actually also look for article types, and then you can add in additional filters if you want to, such as species, articles. You can also do genders, ages, others. So with this, you can already get kind of the key concepts you are looking for. And then if you actually want to see something very specific to find your thesis topics, your search thesis topics, what you can do is go to the advanced bar over here, and then you can just search using these add, or, and not features. So by doing this, you can essentially eliminate a lot of the things you don't want to see and see only the things you want. So for example, you can look for specific articles which have a specific author, and they are in a specific language and have a specific title. However, do not include something and something, okay? Because this allows you, these operators over here, and, or, and not, will allow you to do this. Now, in case you don't know how to do this, I actually have a tutorial on my channel. It's quite in-depth, so go watch that. In there, I will explain everything on how to use these operators over here and how to actually use these two query boxes to get your search results ready. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. That's how to search thesis topics in PubMed. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.